Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 cannot be stopped. The 16th of August 2025, by a correspondent, ZANU-PF Mashonaland East Provincial Chairman Daniel Garwi has ignited a storm after boldly declaring that there will be no elections in 2028, insisting that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 agenda will continue without interruption. Addressing a ZANU-PF District Coordinating Committee on the 11th of August, Garwi said the president's economic blueprint was unstoppable and that opposition voices or internal rivals would not derail it. There will be no election in 2028. We're moving towards 2030, building the nation. Whether anyone approves or not, nothing can stop this agenda, Garwi told party officials, in what appeared to be a veiled jab at Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is widely tipped as Mnangagwa's possible successor. Garwi ridiculed those eyeing the top post. He even invoked a strange ritual, remarking, "Some think plucking a live black chicken can change the outcome, but the one in charge remains Mnangagwa. Don't waste effort on empty gestures. Succession battles intensify, extending Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the 2028 constitutional deadline would require a formal amendment to the Constitution. A move expected to face fierce resistance not only from the opposition, but also within ZANU-PF itself. Officially, Mnangagwa has stated he will retire when his second term ends. However, insiders say loyalists are quietly crafting plans to block Chiwenga's ambitions and instead elevate fuel magnate KUTYA Tagwari at the 2027 Congress. According to this plan, Mnangagwa would formally resign, but Tagwari, installed as vice president, would secure continuity of the ruling faction until at least 2030, effectively shielding Mnangagwa's allies and legacy.